How do I make myself available on a walkie-talkie?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to discuss a simple but crucial aspect of walkie-talkie usage: how to make yourself available. Making yourself available means ensuring others can reach you on your walkie-talkie. This can be useful for a range of applications, from outdoor adventures to professional settings.
Understand your device.
The first step in making yourself available is understanding your specific device. Walkie-talkies can vary in their operation, but they all share some common features. Each walkie-talkie has a power button. Use it to turn the device on and off. A volume control. It adjusts the loudness of incoming messages. A channel selector. This sets the frequency you are communicating on. To make yourself available, turn on your walkie-talkie, adjust the volume to an appropriate level, and ensure that you and the party you want to communicate with are both tuned to the same channel.
Stay tuned to the correct channel.
The second step is to ensure that you and the party you want to communicate with are both on the same channel. Walkie-talkies use specific channels, frequencies, to communicate, so both devices need to be set to the same one. Usually, this can be done by turning a dial or pressing a button on the device. You might also have a digital display showing the current channel. Communicate with your party to decide on a specific channel, and make sure to tune your walkie-talkie to that channel.
Keeping your walkie-talkie on.
The next step is to keep your walkie-talkie on. This might seem obvious, but it's important to remember. Walkie-talkies only receive messages when they're turned on, and they won't alert you to incoming messages if they're off. Make sure that your walkie-talkie is always on when you're expecting to receive messages. Keep an eye on the battery level to ensure you don't run out of power.
Properly using the push-to-talk button.
Finally, it's important to understand how to use your walkie-talkie's push-to-talk button properly. When you want to speak, press and hold the push-to-talk button, wait for a second to ensure the connection, and then start speaking. When you're finished speaking, release the button. This is crucial because, while you're pressing the button, you can't hear any incoming messages. So to make yourself available, make sure you're not holding down the push-to-talk button when you're not speaking. So there you have it. To make yourself available on a walkie-talkie, you need to understand your device, stay tuned to the correct channel, keep your walkie-talkie on, and properly use the push-to-talk button. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to assisting you in your future communication adventures.